Hi. Over the past few weeks, as some of you know, Liz has been going through a bad time of depression. She spends all of her life, whether it's at work or at home, helping and looking after other people. People with addiction problems, mental health issues, dementia or intellectual disabilities, people with back problems and other aches and pains, or just people who need a shoulder to cry on. But sometimes it's Liz who needs the shoulder. She usually hides it really, really well behind a very genuine, warm and cheerful exterior. Sometimes, though, she makes her pain public, like she did a few days ago, very bravely showing her tears. Not to gain sympathy, but to share that knowledge that there are lots of people out there suffering in the same way, who need that shoulder or just an understanding ear to listen. Just now, we had a knock at the door here at home, and there was someone we didn't recognise presenting Liz with a bouquet of flowers in a vase with a note from a friend. And at that moment, the sun came out from behind a cloud, literally and mentally. It wasn't a cure, but it was a ray of sunshine. So I just wanted to say thank you. First of all, to the friend who sent this very, very timely gift. You know who you are. Thank you. You are amazing. Secondly, I'd like to say thank you to all of those people who lent their support on social media and spoke such kind words. There were many, many voices of understanding, many going through the same darkness, many facing this strange, disjointed, locked up time. I salute you all. You are amazing. And thirdly, I want to reach out across the world to all of you who recognise this terrible, debilitating illness of depression. To those of you who are feeling it now. To those of you who felt it and conquered it. And to those who have supported someone in their time of need. You are amazing. People can be amazing. And sometimes it takes a simple but amazing act to part the clouds and bring back the smile that we all know and love. Thank you. You are amazing. You are. Peace and love. And we'll see you in the live stream on Wednesday evenings, every Wednesday at 8 p.m. GMT. Take care. Take very good care. Bye for now.